Good morning. Today we're looking at a beautiful house in Vizcaronda in block 1. So as you come in, you have the cloakroom, storage, open plan kitchen. Really nicely done. It's so spacious. The finishings here in Vizcaronda are terrific. It's got this beautiful view to the bay of Estepona and a massive terrace. Property also comes with a garage, which is enclosed and it can partially be used as a gym. You can watch that in our video. Open fireplace. And the bedrooms are in the level above. I'll show you from downstairs. And we've got the 3 bedrooms on this level. Master bedroom with a massive, fabulous view to the sea and the Bay of Estepona. And you can see Manilva village as well. It's a nice sized terrace. Big bedrooms. You've got the ensuite bathroom as well. And built-in wardrobes. Ensuite bathroom with a bathtub. Bathroom number 2. Bedroom number 2. And bedroom number 3, which is the smallest one of the 3. Got views to the back. Very quiet spot. Little covered terrace. There's no real view from that terrace. For any additional questions or arranging any kind of viewings, please feel free to contact me. Thank you very much for watching this video and have a great day.